Hello, this is Tanmay, and today I'll be telling you about how we do standard reporting in Google Analytics Dashboard 4. In front of you is the Google Analytics Dashboard 4, and it's a demo account. You can also access it by searching the same. And there have been major and drastic changes when we talk about the universal analytics dashboard and the current analytics dashboard. So in front of you, whatever graphs you are seeing and whatever data that you are seeing is coming from the website, and it has successfully been implemented into the data streams. So all this data is from the online platform. The first change that I want to bring your notice is the if you want to navigate to the analytics dashboard, universal analytics dashboard, you will see that the grouping is being done in three major key terms. One is audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. And supposedly, if you want to see engagement, then we'll have to navigate to behavior, events, and then top events. Then we will be able to see the top events of our website. But now this thing have been made easy. We can just simply click on engagements. Just for your reference, we are in the report section of our dashboard, and we'll just simply navigate to engagement, and all these things can be used to report our data for to stakeholders, or maybe you are the business owner for the same. So starting with the same, if you look at the first one that I'll be explaining is the pages and screens. Now all this data is coming from the website, and you can see right now we are seeing page title and screen class over the time. So below we can also see a small table that has a title of page title and screen class. Now you can always change this thing to anything more relevant. Supposingly home shopping cart, I'm not getting any information about it, that what exactly it is. So what I can do, I can just simply select it to page path and screen class. Now what you'll notice that uh, the home will get converted into slash, and the the cart value which I wasn't unable to understand, then it got converted into the slash basket.html. Now this has more meaning if we talk about development, and we can now analyze our data in this table. There are a lot of entries here. Google is providing very vast data for the same. You can see conversions, all events are total like uh, 104741, and similarly the total revenue that was generated for all these data from home. And if I show you more of this, you can also see average engagement time over the home page is also being noted. That means average engagement is 26 seconds, then the user navigates from the home to any other page. And yeah, there is also an option if you want to specify some custom dimension. Supposedly if I want to see data according to supposedly if I go to general, okay, geography I'll select, and in that I select city. Then what you'll notice, a city will be created here, and uh, supposedly in home we have data from lot of cities like New York, Mountain View, Sunnyvale, and all these values are also updated according to this city. These are in connection, and these are associated to each other. So these are the interactions that you can make. You can always lower the number of rows, and there are other options that you can always explore for the same. Another good option here is if you talk about the main visualization that you will be using for presentations and all. What you can do is you can edit the comparison of this graph as well. So if I add a new comparison here, you can just go here simply and you can select a dimension. So supposingly if I select a dimension of gender, say, and the dimension value will be, I want to see all the females that are interacting with the website, because supposedly if I want to launch a campaign, similar campaign on females, or showing them similar products, so I can just include them here, and you can see that what all female members are there on the as compared to all users. We can always just remove it and add a new comparison. This time we'll be adding for city. I'll search where city is. Okay, so city is here, and dimension value is, supposedly I want to view data from Austin, and I select OK here, apply. So if I apply that this thing, then okay, some model gets clicked. We'll just close it. Yeah, so you can see that. Wait a second, the page reloaded. Heading back to the report section, I accidentally clicked the explore section. Yeah, so returning to our pages and screens. In this, we were adding a new comparison here. I'll show you once again. So we add a new comparison here, and then in the comparison, I say I want to search for a specific city. So I'll select here city. The dimension value will be Austin, and we'll press OK here. After pressing OK, we'll press apply, and then the corresponding graph, you'll see below, you are seeing the Austin data, and then there is, for the comparison, it is all users. So in Austin, we reported like 6,044 users on 27 September. So this and all this comparison will be applied to your entire graph, and you can always close it and view it in full screen or as per your uses. And then if we talk about overview, so for reporting purposes, you can always rely on the overview page, so that you can display more information in terms of reporting cards. So there are similar reporting cards in front of you, and the comparison that I applied there will also be visible here. So you can see that there is Austin data, and then there is all user data, and you can always navigate towards the other report cards that will help you to visualize your information. And the you can see other events also happening around, like view promotions, view of item list, page view. So this is much information about standard reporting, and you can always choose to explore. Thank you, and see you in the next video.